planets don't get just bigger, like just dust getting just bigger, because it's like a cotton candy, so it's just ready to get more dust and gas into its body to make a planet. So for a planet just triggers more dust and gas when it explodes. It's like a cycle of a solar system, like a cycle of water instead. And so on, we're going to the next round. Well, mosquitoes are really annoying because they make strange sounds at night and they bite. I mean, they don't bite, but they got out our blood and then make us itchy. Why does they do that? Just because they want to drink. But male mosquitoes don't drink blood, only eat insects instead. But mosquitoes say they need nutrients for their eggs, so they drink blood. So we have to know that female mosquitoes are very annoying. But these days, now the mosquitoes ate a lot of animals' blood, but they say that human's blood is the most delicious, and they could find the human blood everywhere because they could smell the carbon dioxide from our breathing. So that's why it's the only kind of triggerment that the mosquitoes are doing. And mosquitoes, or if they don't have any more blood, they can find more from one person. And then now we're going to another concept. It's like, do you have pets? Well, pets are good at hearing. So pets like dogs. Dogs can hear your conversation and then, learn letters. Yes, learn letters. And also, for economical ways, it is also a way, like a brick. Well, for many kinds of pets, they say their learning kind of thing is more faster than humans. So we'll know that they will one day understand our conversation and even talk. Yeah, we don't know what's going to be in the future, so we could have used our experiments and our own self. And blood. Well, actually, one thing, we have kind of an emotional brain inside our brain. What kind of brain does do that? Our brain does that. Well, for emotional brains are actually often. Well, we don't see them often because we don't use them often. We just think it'll go away, but it eventually doesn't go away. So it makes a really bad problem, but nobody fixes. But I'm gonna fix it and do it tomorrow. Well, for this, it's like a developed medicine. It's kind of a shot, and you get this medicine. You forget what you don't want to do. So some, for tests, like monkeys, they did this test to monkeys, and the monkeys were getting wild. And then after 10 minutes, they finally do their task, a really difficult task, but they all do it and get a good reward. Like that, they also did it to humans. The humans did it gradually. They did not become wild, but they're what they don't want to do, thoughts were all erased. And also, Pompeii's hot tub. Well, actually, Pompeii is now disappeared, but early then, they were using a hot tub, but it was really unsanitary. So many people hate it. Like Romans like clean environments, but it was really difficult to go into the hot tub and even use it. And it smelled really bad. And its water coming up every day is only once at one day. So it was kind of polluted. So we should never use it. But here at our place, we have this clean water getting up and down every day, every minute, every second. Like this is a cycle of water again. But we should also remember how we go and we protect our own hot tubs. Well, thank you for listening to my presentation.